Hello guys, I'm back. I have another Lazada unboxing video. This package arrived 2 days ago and I just didn't have the time to open it, not until now. So it's one of the last orders that I got on Lazada, and finally it has arrived. Actually, it arrived earlier than the delivery date, so that's really nice. It's actually a food supplement. It's my first time to purchase this food supplement from the seller. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Alright, got it open. Oops, I forgot it's wrapped in a bubble wrap, so you can see through it. It's a Puritan's Pride supplement. Okay, there it is, guys. Puritan's Pride Hyrdrolyzed Collagen, Pro-Structural Protein Type 1 and 3 Collagen, healthy support for skin and connective tissues. It's 180 caplets. Directions: adults take 4 caplets twice daily on an empty stomach. I'm actually planning to just take 3 caplets instead of 4. So if I take 3 caplets, this should last me about 2 months. And that is the supplement facts. 1 caplet has 1000 milligrams of collagen, so if you take 3, that's 3000 milligrams. And it also has vitamin C and protein and sodium, and that's just about it. I was actually considering getting the Neocell, what's the name? Neocell Collagen Plus, something like that, and I actually purchased one a few weeks ago. I was waiting for it to arrive, but the seller canceled the purchase on the day of the delivery. So yeah, they refunded the money, and once I got the money, I tried to look for another option. Now the only problem with the Neocell product is that there are a lot of fake bottles being sold online, so had a hard time looking for a right seller that sells the authentic Neocell Plus, Collagen Plus, I mean, yeah. So just to be sure, I decided to just get this one from Puritan's Pride, and it's from Lazada, and the Puritan's Pride seller is the actual distributor here in the Philippines. They have their own website, so they are the ones that also attends to online purchases from their website. So I figured I might as well get one from Puritan's Pride, just to be sure that it's authentic, and from the looks of it, it is, yeah, because I got a couple of supplements from Puritan's Pride seller at Lazada already, some of which are here actually, just to show you. I got the magnesium supplements, and then I also got the cod liver oil and the zinc, so those are all from Puritan's Pride. So now I'm trying their hydrolyzed collagen and see what happens. Hopefully it'll work. The reviews online were all positive. I read a few reviews that like a couple of weeks, 1 or 2 weeks of taking just 3 caplets a day, they saw a significant difference on their skin, more hydrated, and also lessened some wrinkles and so forth. So that's nice to hear. So I'm gonna start taking this tomorrow on an empty stomach, just 3 caplets, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'll write a review on the Lazada app maybe after a week or 2 of use, and hopefully I'd see some changes or improvements somehow. If you have a hard time looking for authentic collagen supplements online, especially the Neocell product, I might as well just go to a vitamin store like Healthy Options and get one from there, and you'll be sure that it's an authentic one. But if you're going to get it online, you know, I'm telling you, there are a lot of fake Neocell bottles being sold online, so just be careful. And if you don't want to take chances like me, then stick with Puritan's Pride Hydrolyzed Collagen. And it's a lot more cheaper. I think I got this for $1,000+ and good for 2 months. Yeah, just 3 caplets. Actually it says 4. If you take these 4 caplets twice, and it says twice daily, so that's 8 caplets a day. Wow, this wouldn't last a month if you take it for 8 caplets a day, but I'm just planning to take 3. I mean, Yeah, trying to save money. But we'll see if it works with just 3 caplets today. I'm pretty sure it will. Okay, well, that's just about it, guys. So I'm gonna put the complete product details or info in the video description box, and also the name of the seller, which I already mentioned, the Puritan spread at Lasmall. And you can purchase one if you like, or if you are a fan of collagen, then might as well go ahead and purchase this. If not, you should give it a try, definitely. Don't have any more Lazada deliveries coming, so but I'm planning to purchase a couple of new items in the next few days. And so when I get that, or when I finally place the order and get the package in the mail, then I'll make another video, Lazada unboxing video. Alright, one last look. Okay, well, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Just for documentation purposes, it's 3:23 a.m. June 27, 2020. Yep. Okay, well, I'm going to bed right after brush my teeth and get myself cleaned up, and I'll hit the sack and then wake up later around noon and go forward with whatever activities I have in mind. And I'm gonna start taking this tomorrow, because I should take it in an empty stomach. I just had my super late snack, call it midnight snack, although it's already 3 in the morning. So I'm gonna start taking this tomorrow, and I'll write a review on the Lazada app after 2 weeks and let you guys know if I feel anything different, or if I see any improvements or changes on my skin. Okay, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.